It's Mark here from Lessons Learned. I'm going to do an unboxing of my Ring Alarm home security kit. It includes 8 pieces, and I'm also going to unbox a freeze sensor towards the end, which is separate from the kit. Enjoy! As they do with most of their products, they include a label, and this is a nice deterrent to put on your side light of your door or on one of your windows. Just going to do a quick glance through the installation manual, and the instructions are very good, very easy to follow, and you really shouldn't need any help understanding how to install this. If you just go through the instructions for each one of the different devices, I found them very easy to use. This is the base station, kind of like the controller, as well as the part that sounds the alarm. So your other devices connect to this and it monitors them. Here's the keypad, which is used to arm or disarm the system. The range extender extends the signal, allowing the different devices being monitored to be a little farther away from the base station. The motion detector gets mounted on a wall to detect movement in one of your rooms or areas. Since we have a pet, probably going to have to adjust the sensitivity. It goes up, I think, up on the wall 7.5 feet, but I think you have to adjust the sensitivity depending on what kind of pets you have. And here's the power supply and I guess hardware for the keypad. Looks like once you plug this in, it has a nice slot down the middle of the back of the keypad. So you can push that cable inside that slot, and then it can, if you wanted to mount it on the wall, it can mount flushly against that mounting bracket. And here's the power supply for the base station. I think this also includes a network cable in case you have a backup for your connectivity as opposed to just your Wi-Fi. And just like the keypad, this also for this base station, it's got a nice little channel. You can pop that cord in, and even if you're setting it on a table flat or mounting on the wall, that way the cable doesn't get in the way. These contact sensors go on either your window or door, and this just detects a door or window being open so that can trigger the alarm if you have the system armed. Here's an item I ordered separate from that kit. It's a water freeze sensor, also detects leaks. And I got this to put by our hot water heater on the floor. hope you enjoyed this video. I also purchased the exterior cameras with solar panels from Ring, and I'm going to do an unboxing video on that as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, leave comments, or subscribe to our channel.